Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger here. And now you can hear that we just successfully unmute our device ringtone. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first here in the volume button control section, if you have selected media, switch it here to the ringtone. And after that, just by using our up volume button, press up volume button, and by this way you can also unmute the ringtone of your device. And also we can do it by the third way, just press up or down volume button, and after that swipe to the up this volume panel with your finger manually, and by this way you can also unmute your device ringtone. So here is a couple of ways. You can select one from them just way which you like. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.